Excuse me? $40 for 2 products?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with the brow tutorial. So I went into Sephora and I bought the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow dip and a brush to go along with it. I want to see if this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow dip really works. So we're gonna see and we're gonna see it together. It was pretty pricey. So the brush number 12 was $18 and the brow dip was $18. The total came out to $39.11 after tax and everything. I think that's pretty mother freaking pricey.
Excuse me? $40 for 2 products? I don't know.
But what you'll do is just bring your eyebrows upwards. Now we're going to use the Anastasia brow dip. This is the chocolate again, and you're going to make a line underneath your brows. And you're just going to fill in, and you're going to create from this arch right here. You're going to create, so pretty much you're creating your own arch. And if you're missing hair up there, you're going to use this product to create an arch. And once you create your arch, you just fill it in a little bit, not too much, because once again, you don't want to be doing too much. After you do that, we're going to do the second side. I'm just making a line at the bottom and creating an arch. And then fill in the corner. I have hair already, but I like to just fill it in more so it can look a little more dramatic, but not too much. Like I always say, you don't want to do too much. Make sure that this is even. I think it's pretty even. Using the leftover product on my angle brush and just working upwards, just smearing that bottom line into something pretty much. So I'm just using that bottom line product and the leftover product on the angle brush and just filling it in. So now that you have your desired arch and you have your desired eyebrow, what you're going to use is the spoolie side of your brush and you're going to fill it out pretty much. Fill it out all the way, and also this is smoothing out the harsh line, and you're smoothing out your hairs and the product together pretty much. Now with another angle brush, you're going to just clean it up and get your desired arch that you like. This brush I got from AliExpress is nothing biggie. You can look it up yourself. Just put an angle brush in AliExpress, you get a whole bunch. And then you're gonna use any concealer of your desire. I like to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color Warm Honey. I am like a chocolate girl, like my skin complexion is really dark, but I like to use a lighter. Some people don't like doing this method, but I like to use a lighter concealer around my eyebrows so that it can, you know, just look alive. I want my brows to show, you know, like damn, she took her time with her brows. But I like to like have the mirror like this close to my face because I don't want to make mistakes. Brows take forever, and the last thing you want is to make a mistake on your brow because you have to pretty much start over. So you're going to use your angle brush with the concealer and just go around your eyebrows and create. You're just mimicking pretty much the arch that you created, but you're making it more sharp. So now, I did do my eyebrows myself. I have a few hairs left. This is what the concealer is for. It's going to pretty much erase all the hairs that's there and make it look very clean and neat. Now, what I'm doing here is I create an arch with the concealer, and then I smear the concealer, I can't talk. I smear the concealer, like I blend it in pretty much with the angle brush. As you can see, the concealer is pretty thick. Once you apply it, you just smear it out to make it look very natural. Now I'm kind of creating a unibrow pretty much at the bottom so it can be very even. And now we're gonna work on the top part. I think I'm feeling this Anastasia Beverly Hills color now. I'm pressing down really hard, by the way, guys, because I want to create, like, I want it to be so sharp, but also make it look very natural. And just blend that out with your angle brush. So now it looks like I have a unibrow, correct? Because I want it to look somewhat the same, and eyebrows will never come out the same, I promise you. It may look like it is sometimes, but for some reason one will be higher than the other one, or one arch will be better than the other one. It's just a part of life, like, you know, if you're a girl like me, I like to be a little extra. I'm gonna use my angle brush and just pretty much add little lines to give it that fade look. And I'm just tapping pretty much. And that's how I do my eyebrows, guys. This is how my eyebrows always come out, even if I'm using an expensive product or a product that costs like $1. I love using dollar stuff, but this, okay, I gave it another chance and it's a yay. It's a yay. It's a yay, okay? I like it. It's worth it, okay? The $18 was worth it, guys. So I approve of this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow dip, okay? Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked this, and I hope it was very informative to you. If you like this video, comment below and how much it helped you to achieve some fleeky eyebrows, because I'm feeling this. I really love it. I don't know, I'm not gassing y'all. I really like this. Like, I gave it another chance, okay? And I'm not gonna return it. I'm not gonna exchange it. I like it so much. I like it that much, so I'm gonna keep it. It's a yay. It's a yay with me, okay? So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below if it was helpful for you. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.